is a fundamental part of a person's physical appearance, and its care is essential to keep it healthy and looking beautiful. However, many people are not aware of some important facts about their hair and the best practices for its care. In this article, we're going to explore some little-known aspects of hair and offer some practical tips for proper care. The structure of the hair. Hair is primarily made of a protein called keratin. This protein is responsible for the resistance and elasticity of the hair. The structure of the hair is made up of 3 layers: the cuticle, the cortex, and the medulla. The cuticle is the outermost layer of the hair and protects the inner layers. The cortex is the middle layer and contains pigments that give hair its color. The medulla is the innermost layer and is optional, as some people have hair without medulla. Hair growth. Hair grows on average 0.3 to 0.5 millimeters per day, which is equivalent to approximately 1 centimeter per month. Hair growth is influenced by many factors, including genetics, nutrition, stress, and age. On average, women's hair grows slower than men's, and as we age, hair growth slows. Hair and hair loss. It is normal for us to lose around 50 to 100 hair strands per day, as hair has a natural growth cycle. However, excessive hair loss can be a sign of underlying health problems. Hair loss can be caused by factors such as genetics, stress, poor diet, medication, and excessive use of chemical hair products. The importance of a healthy diet for hair. A healthy diet is essential to maintain healthy hair. Protein-rich foods, such as chicken, fish, and eggs, help strengthen hair and prevent hair loss. Foods rich in vitamins, such as fruits and vegetables, are also important for hair growth and health. Deficiencies in nutrients like iron, zinc, and biotin can cause hair loss and other health problems. Excessive use of chemical hair products. Excessive use of chemical hair products, such as dyes, perms, and relaxers, can damage your hair, causing it to become brittle and dry. These chemicals can damage the outer layer of the hair, making the hair more vulnerable to breakage and loss. If chemical hair products are used, it is important to ensure that they are used properly and the manufacturer's instructions are followed. The importance of hydration for hair. Hydration is essential to keep hair healthy and prevent dryness and brittleness. It is recommended to wash your hair with lukewarm water and use a conditioner suitable for your hair type. Natural oils, such as coconut oil and argan oil, can also be beneficial in moisturizing hair and protecting it from damage. The impact of stress on hair. Stress can have a negative impact on hair health, as it can affect the body's hormonal balance and cause hair loss. It can also make hair dry and brittle. It is recommended to manage stress with techniques such as meditation, yoga, and regular exercise. The importance of getting enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is important for maintaining healthy hair, as it helps the body to regenerate and repair hair overnight. Lack of sleep can affect the health of your hair, causing it to become brittle and brittle. Brush the hair properly. Brushing the hair is important to detangle the hair and distribute the natural oils throughout the hair. However, brushing your hair excessively or incorrectly can cause damage and breakage. It is recommended to use a suitable brush for your hair type and brush carefully, starting from the ends and working upwards. The importance of protecting hair from the sun and heat. Prolonged exposure to the sun and excessive use of heating tools, such as blow dryers and hair straighteners, can damage hair, causing it to become dry and brittle. Hats or scarves are recommended to protect hair from the sun and limit the use of heated hair tools. In short, taking proper care of your hair is essential to keeping it healthy and looking beautiful. It is important to consider the structure of the hair, the growth and loss of hair, the importance of a healthy diet, the excessive use of chemical hair products, hydration, the impact of stress on the hair, getting enough sleep, brush hair properly and protect hair from sun and heat. With these practical tips, you can keep your hair in top condition and have beautiful, healthy hair. Natural products can be a great hair care option, as many of them contain essential nutrients and vitamins that can help maintain healthy hair. Here are some recommended natural hair care products. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the best natural hair care products. Contains fatty acids that help nourish hair and keep it hydrated. Plus, it has antimicrobial properties that can help prevent scalp infections. Coconut oil can also help prevent hair breakage and reduce damage caused by styling and using heat tools. Argan oil. Argan oil is a light oil that is easily absorbed into the hair. Contains vitamin E and fatty acids that help keep hair hydrated and soft. Additionally, it can help reduce hair breakage and prevent damage caused by styling and using heat tools. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a plant known for its moisturizing and soothing properties. It is rich in vitamins and nutrients that can help keep hair healthy and nourished. Aloe vera gel can also help reduce scalp inflammation and prevent dandruff. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a natural conditioner that can help soften hair and remove product buildup. It can also help reduce scalp inflammation and prevent dandruff. Eggs are an excellent source of protein and can help strengthen hair. They also contain vitamins B12 and biotin, which are essential for healthy hair. You can mix an egg with olive oil and apply it to your hair as a hair mask to help nourish and strengthen your hair. It's important to remember that natural products may not work for all hair types, and you may need to experiment to find the ones that work best for you. Also, it's important to read product labels and avoid those that contain harmful or irritating ingredients. If in doubt, it's a good idea to talk to a dermatologist or stylist for specific recommendations for your hair type. Diet plays a very important role in hair health. A balanced, nutrient-dense diet is essential to maintaining healthy, beautiful hair. Here are some important nutrients that should be included in the hair care diet. Protein. Hair is made of protein, so getting enough protein in your diet is essential. Protein sources include meat, fish, eggs, legumes, and nuts. Iron. Iron deficiency can cause hair loss. Iron sources include red meat, poultry, fish, spinach, and beans. Zinc. Zinc is essential for hair growth and repair. Sources of zinc include meat, shellfish, nuts, and seeds. Vitamin A. Vitamin A helps produce oil in the scalp, which keeps hair hydrated. Sources of vitamin A include carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen, which helps keep hair strong. Sources of vitamin C include oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps protect hair from damage caused by free radicals. Sources of vitamin E include nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. Biotin. Biotin is essential for hair growth. Biotin sources include eggs, nuts, seeds, and avocados. It is important to note that a balanced diet is essential for maintaining healthy hair, and taking supplements alone is not enough. Also, it is important to avoid extreme or restrictive diets, as they can negatively affect hair growth and health. Between 50 and 100 strands of hair are lost per day. Hair growth is on average 0.3 to 0.5 millimeters per day. Protein-rich foods help prevent hair loss. Excessive use of chemical hair products can cause hair to become brittle and dry. Lack of sleep can affect the health of your hair, causing it to become brittle and brittle. Stress can affect the body's hormonal balance and cause hair loss. Brushing your hair incorrectly or excessively can cause damage and breakage. Prolonged exposure to the sun and excessive use of heated hair tools can damage your hair, causing it to become dry and brittle. Furthermore, the global hair care industry is estimated to reach $211.1 billion by 2025. This shows the importance placed on hair care in today's society. It is important to keep in mind that each type of hair is different and may require specific care. For example, curly or African American hair may need more hydration and special products to maintain its texture and shape. It is advisable to speak with a stylist or dermatologist for specific recommendations for your hair type. In conclusion, proper hair care is essential to keep it healthy and beautiful. By understanding the structure of hair, its growth and loss cycle, the importance of a healthy diet, the use of chemicals, hydration, the impact of stress, adequate sleep, correct brushing, and protection from the sun and heat, we can take steps to keep our hair in top condition. Also, when choosing hair care products, it is important to read the labels and choose those that are suitable for our hair type and that contain natural and non-damaging ingredients. With proper care, we can keep our hair beautiful and healthy for the long term.